Ever wondered who's the mastermind behind that sleek banking app Lunar? You know, the one with the personalized cards and that cool budgeting feature? Yeah, that's what we're diving into today. So, picture this, you're scrolling through social media, and you see an ad for a banking app that promises to revolutionize your finances. Intrigued, you download it and are immediately blown away by its user-friendly interface and innovative features. You start using the app, and it quickly becomes your go-to for everything from managing your budget to making payments. But have you ever stopped to wonder who's the genius behind this incredible piece of technology? Well, today we're going to meet the CEO of Lunar, the visionary who brought this revolutionary banking experience to life. Now, before we reveal the identity of this tech titan, let's take a quick look at what makes Lunar so special. Personalized cards. Lunar lets you customize your debit card with your own unique design, adding a touch of personality to your everyday transactions. Smart budgeting tools. Say goodbye to manual budgeting. Lunar offers powerful tools that help you track your spending, set financial goals, and stay on top of your finances effortlessly. Seamless integration. Effortlessly connect your other bank accounts and seamlessly manage all your finances in one place. Sustainable banking. Lunar is committed to sustainability, offering eco-friendly options and supporting environmentally conscious initiatives. These are just a few of the features that have made Lunar a favorite among tech-savvy users. But who is the driving force behind this innovative banking experience? Drumroll, please. The CEO of Lunar is Ken Willem-Clausen. Ken Willem-Clausen is a seasoned entrepreneur with a proven track record of success in the tech industry. Ken Willem-Clausen's vision for Lunar is to create a banking experience that is not only convenient and user-friendly but also personalized and empowering. Under his/her/their leadership, Lunar has quickly gained a loyal following and is poised to become a major player in the fintech space. Ken Willem-Clausen's passion for innovation and customer centricity is evident in every aspect of the Lunar app. By prioritizing user experience and embracing cutting-edge technology, he/she/they are transforming the way we bank and empowering users to take control of their financial futures. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.